Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, guys, and today we have with us the next generation or the third generation Amazon Echo smart speaker device. This is with Alexa voice assistant, which also supports Hindi now. And Alexa comes with a lot of skills, and the skills for India are continuously being added and enhanced. The one that we have got here comes upgraded. This is the third generation. The price that you can see on the box is 9999 or approximately 10,000 rupees. It is available on Amazon website. I'll leave the Best Buy links in the description section below. And it comes with the signature frustration free packaging from Amazon. As you can see, we can just open it like this. So most Amazon devices, including the Kindle and the Alexas, come with this frustration free packaging wherein you can just open it very easily. So in this video I'm gonna quickly unbox this, show you what all you get. I'll talk about the new features, and we'll talk about the design as well as the performance. I'll give you a quick demo as well as I'll talk about the new features. So here is the box, and it mentions some quick features here. It is with 360 degrees audio, and it comes with Dolby surround sound now, which is a huge enhancement. You get 0.8 inches tweeter, 3 inches woofer, Dolby audio, 3.5 auxiliary output as well as input. It comes with the Bluetooth, far field voice control microphones, and it has a microphone on off button. It has skills related to some very Indian specific features like Ola. You have Aaj Choo Choo TV, All India Radio, food, and a lot more. You can check it out on Amazon website. There are plenty of skills that you can use on these voice assistants, the Amazon Alexa or Amazon Echo series. So here the one that we have got is the dark color or the charcoal color, which does look pretty classy, and it has a fabric texture. So let me just take it out of these plastic wraps, and this is how it looks. It is fabric construction and it does look quite rich. Let me adjust the camera exposure a bit so that you can see it more clearly. And this is how it looks. This is quite durable and very robust material, and on top you can see there are multiple microphones and 4 buttons here, and on the bottom you also have this thread for mounting it on a tripod like arrangement. You can also hang it, and on the back you would find the power port as well as 3.5 input output port. And here in this box you would find a 30-watt wall adapter as well as some quick start guides and important information about Amazon Alexa, the Echo that we have got here. And let me quickly power this on, set it up, and show you how it works. It has a 30-watt powerful adapter and powerful speakers as well this time. A 3-inch woofer, which should sound pretty good. Last year we had a similar design with the Echo Plus that I have used, so I can tell from experience that it sounded pretty dope, and I'm expecting a similar performance or maybe better performance from this. But this one comes at a very competitive price of 10,000 rupees compared to the Echo Plus, which is approximately 15,000 rupees or 1.5 times the price of this one. To set this up, you would need the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, and you have to go to devices and add device. On this menu I select Echo, select the language, continue. It is now searching for devices. It has found a device. I'll click here. It says select your Wi-Fi. Now I could quickly select my network. It says it may take a few minutes, but it generally takes a few seconds only. The device is connected.
Your device is ready.
So let's say we are putting it in the dining room. Continue. And it is done. So this device is now configured. Now we can talk to it. Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, how's the weather today?
Currently, In New Delhi, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect scattered clouds, with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 19 degrees.
Mind it that this volume is the moderate level or the level 5. If I increase the volume, it can become really loud. This is the highest volume, or the volume 10 as they call it. Now if I ask the same question, notice the difference in the amplitude of how it speaks. Alexa, how's the weather?
Right now in New Delhi, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has scattered clouds, with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 19 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call a rooster that draws? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
So as you can see, it is fairly loud, but to give you an idea of how good it sounds, let me play a very short snippet of some music. Alexa, play some instrumental music.
The station, Bollywood Instrumentals, on Amazon Music.
It is fairly loud, it's fairly powerful, and the bass is pretty deep. Alexa, increase the bass. Alexa, play. Stop. So it's fairly loud. It's fairly deep. Alexa, stop. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:16 p.m.
Alexa, how far is India Gate from here?
I found a India Gate. It is 17.6 kilometers away in New Delhi. Business hours for this establishment are not available.
So it gives you adjustable equalizer, it gives you 360 surround sound with Dolby support, it comes with a new design, it comes with powerful speakers, and it comes with the same price as the last year's device, which is 9999. So it is a good deal and it's a good value. Now you are getting really room filling, rich, loud music. You can have a small party at your home and use the speaker as your main speaker. You would not be disappointed with the sound performance. I'm really impressed with the Echo 3rd generation. And it does not break your budget. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below this video, where you can get one for yourself at the best price. This is all we have on this video. Leave your comments and suggestion in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.